Hello, Todd Rampe here. It's April 30th, 2026, and we are looking at a chart of the Qs. I want to point out just how easy it is to trade the trend with the slingshot trader approach. This yellow bar right here represents the opening bell. Obviously, the price tanked, came down to the 200, found some support, came back up to this group of moving averages. Our students know to sit on the sidelines for the first 15 minutes after the opening bell, which is why the chart is black until 9:45 Eastern. Now at 9:45 Eastern, the background color changes to green, but we don't have any slingshot gap to the upside here. So again, we are still sitting on the sidelines. And then right here about 9:51, the background color changes from green to red, giving us a giant heads up that we should be on the short side of the market. Price comes down, comes back up. Here is your first opportunity to take a short trade. Buy 10 contracts, put $1,000, $1,500 into that trade, and as a new trader, you look for a 15% return on your money. One of our seasoned students is looking for at least $450 on a 10 contract trade. Obviously, simple math is $45 per contract. Once you get up to the 50, 100 contract level, you can do the math. So here's our first opportunity right here. We had another opportunity right here, and you can see how the price came up, kissed the moving averages. We had our slingshot gap right here, and the price went from about $659.60 down to $658.17. Call it $1.25. On a 50 delta, that's $600 on a 10 contract trade, meaning about a $1,200 or $1,300 investment would have returned almost 50%. Sounds too good to be true. Go look at your option chart and you'll see that trading the weeklies is where it's at, and that's why most people are getting into this now and getting away from the investments that require a ton of capital. So what's our next trade setup? Right here, we have another slingshot gap, dotted yellow line hitting the ceiling, price bars bouncing off of this moving average again, and the price goes from roughly, call it 660, down to 657, call it 658. That's a $2 move. That's a $1,000 profit on a 10 contract trade with a 50 delta. In other words, a $1,500 investment right here will return you $1,000 by the time the price gets here. Are you going to stay in for the full move? Highly unlikely. And that's what we teach you. We want you to get in and get out with strength. You want to learn how to do this and have these charts on your computer? Go to wallstreeteducation.com.